Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। लाचू साइंस चैनल में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो फोर्थ सेम की फिफ्थ यूनिट फैट ऑयल डिटर्जेंट पॉलीमर्स का टॉपिक है एंड द सब टॉपिक इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ डेंड्रीमर्स। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर संदीप अरोड़ा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, लाचू मेमोरियल कॉलेज। तो हम बात करेंगे डेंड्रीमर्स की। तो डेंड्रीमर्स आर बेसिकली polymers of repeatedly branch molecule. They are the polymers of branch molecules. Dendrimers are nano size, highly branched, and three-dimensional molecules. The word dendrimers derived from dendrons, which means tree, and they are also known as aerosols and cascade molecules. Now, the structure of dendrimers. These dendrimers are formed from starting material like nitrogen, and from these starting material other atom like carbon and other element are joined with these monomers, and by the repetitively chemical reaction they form spherical branching structure known as dendrimers. Now the property of dendrimers are inert, non-toxic, biodegradable, non-immunogenic. These dendrimers have a ability to cross barrier like intestine, blood tissue, cell membrane. These dendrimers have a capability to target to specific structure compatible with guest molecules, and it protect the drug until it reach to the desirable site and then release the drug. Physiochemical property of dendrimers. These dendrimers are nanoscale size, highly soluble, miscible, and reactive due to presence of many chain ends. These dendrimers have significant lower viscosity than linear polymers, and size and molecular can be controlled by the synthesis. जैसे द synthesis बढ़ती है वैसे इनका molecular weight बढ़ता है. Now there are two methods of formation of dendrimers. One is divergent method. In this divergent method, the chain grow from core to outward side. The the core molecule first react with monomers, and these monomers contain one reactive and two dormant group and form first generation dendrimers, and this process repeatedly and form dendrimers in a layer form. Now, second method, this is called convergent method. In this convergent method, dendrimers grow from end part and it will progressively move inward. इसका फॉर्मेशन बाहर से अंदर सेंटर कोर की होता है. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल इन विच द चेन ग्रो outward to inward. This method is make the product pure and remove the impurity and form monodispersed dendrimers, but due to the sterics effect the core size is limit. Now the usage of dendrimers, they are similar to protein, enzyme and vitamins. They are useful in anti-cancer, anti-tumor therapy. For example, paraamine dendrimers, they conjugated with cancer cell and useful in anti-cancer therapy. Dendrimers also act as a metal chelate and also used as MRI. This is magnetic resonance imagery contrast agent. Large size of dendrimers useful for blood and lymphatic imaging, and small size useful for kidney imaging. These dendrimers also useful in genes transcription. Dendrimers is also useful for studying mutation regulation process of gene. They are also act as a biomimic of catalyst. These dendrimers have make various artificial catalytical site and catalytical property, so it will behave as an enzyme. Another medical non-medical application of dendrimers. These dendrimers also behave as catalyst of enzyme due to their high surface area and high solubility. These dendrimers act as a nanoscale catalyst. For example, polycarbosilicon dendrimers in diamino aryl nickel complex used as a catalyst. These dendrimers also act as a additives and प्रिंटिंग इंक एंड पेंट, ये पेंट के रूप में और प्रिंटिंग इंक के रूप में भी काम आते हैं. पॉलीयूरेथेन पेंट दैट प्रोवाइड हार्ड सरफेस, स्क्रैचेबल रेजिस्टेंस, केमिकल रेजिस्टेंट, weathering resistant and high growth surface. Now another use of dendrimers, they are used as a separating agent. It form a micelle, and due to the micelle formation they can be easily separated and recovered by ultrafiltration method. These polyamido amine dendrimers are used as a chelating agent, and these dendrimers also encapsulated in soluble material. ये इन soluble material के चारों तरफ कोर का निर्माण करते हैं, such as metal, and these in soluble material are transported from solvent to inner part. Now the last slide, that is the conclusion of dendrimers. These dendrimers are nanoparticulate carriers and have a tremendous application due to their multifunctional nanoparticle system. They can also use in targeting to the particular cancer cell. It also useful in imaging, in diagnostic and therapeutic usage. These dendrimers have multifunctional unique nanoparticle carrier potentially used to detect disease, deliver medication, and monitor the ability to change the current scenario of current cancer research and diagnosis in real time. Thank you.